Hello, this video is for online assignment 8, the sandwich algorithm. There are 3 or 4 parts to this depending on if you want to do the bonus. Part 1, students are going to read the introduction for the sandwich algorithm. Part 2, read the automation and robotics PowerPoint. Part 3, complete the assignment for making a sandwich. And then Part 4, the bonus. And we'll go to show you that you'll need to download the Google Doc, all right, to create an accurate algorithm sequence of instructions so a person can make a sandwich. The terms are for PB and J. If you happen to be allergic to peanut butter, you can make a sandwich out of anything you want, and instead of using peanut butter or jelly, you can just change your terms. All right. Looking down and you see the example, you're going to lay it out this way. You're going to write step 1 and put some hashes down. Step 2, what your step is, hashes. Step 3, what your hashes are. Step 4, all the way down through until you get your sandwich made. The bonus, which is 10 points, you're going to have someone read your directions, your program out loud to you and record you making your sandwich. With cell phone or video, you can send it to me via Google Classroom. Easiest way to do it is plug your phone into the computer and you can transfer your file right over. Now, when we come over here to our project lead the way, once again, you're going to read your introduction. You will come down and you will download and read the automation and robotics PowerPoint. And this just tells you what your procedure is as you're writing your steps for your sandwich. Okay, when you come all the way down, you do not have to answer your conclusion questions. All right, you will download your Word or your Google Doc to Google Classroom, and then you can also send me the video on Google Classroom as well. If it doesn't come through, I might be able to change it so that we have a different assignment that you can send that video to. Once again, if you have any questions with this, please feel free to email or send me a comment on the Google page. Thank you.